All right, guys, so here is my final product of my density experiment. So I went in and I was only able to mix 2 of them on this one. And now they're kind of starting to sink together a little bit. It's hard to see. I can see the 2 of them together, but they're starting to mix in. But this one, so I added a little bit of salt to it. The salt does work a little bit better than the sugar. And so I added the salt to it. And then I did it the way that I've always done it in class, which is using this handy little container right here and my dropper. And then you just slowly drop them in, and I have my red and my blue and then my yellow, and then I started with the green, and you can just barely in the video see where it goes from yellow to green. So it works pretty well. So this is kind of a fun little experiment to do. These little containers you can get on Amazon. They're really fun containers. They come with lids. Anybody know what this actually is? This is what's called a baby soda bottle. A baby soda bottle. So think about those giant soda bottles that are like 2 liters, even the 1 liters, the bottles that you get in the Mark. So those are really expensive to ship. So one person makes the bottles. They don't always make the bottles at the plant where they fill the bottles. The bottles are made, and then they're shipped to the plant, and then they're filled, and then they're shipped to where they are sold. And so to get from the place where they're made to the place that they're filled, it would be expensive to just, think about how big a soda bottle is, a 2 liter. That's too expensive. So what they do is they ship them like this little tiny guy. Again, it has a lid that goes on the top, and those are shipped to the Pepsi, Coca-Cola, Diet Dr. Pepper plants, and that's where they are. They put them in a machine and they blow them up into whatever size that they want, and then they fill them and they send them off to a place where they get sold. So that's pretty fun. You can get them on Amazon. They sell them for like 6 of them for, or maybe even a dozen of them. I have pretty inexpensive, and you can do lots of little things with them, and they're fun, especially for these little experiments. All right, so that is my second density experiment. Look at that. Look at all that sugar and salt that's going to the bottom that didn't get mixed up. Yep. But hey, that's how you can make these things float. So I wonder how many colors you can stack. I've had students stack 4 and 5 colors. I usually get stuck on the 3rd one because you really have to have patience to mix these up. All right, I have one more density experiment for you, and let's see if I get it done today. It's a really fun one, but don't get in trouble doing it. So stay tuned. Bye.